So let's look at number one. Number one is a classic in out scenario because you've got two interior angles and an outer or exterior angle. So we already know that the formula is going to be in, out, which is really in plus in equals out. So what we got to first do is identify which ones are the insides and which ones are the outsides. And we already kind of did that, but those are right here. Here are your interior angles. And then here's your exterior angle here. So all we got to do is set it up. So let's see. One interior angle is 23. Easy. The next one is this, plus 5x minus 1. And notice this plus comes from the fact that that's in the formula. You're doing an in plus another in equals an out. So that's where that came from. So 23 plus 5x minus 1 equals 9x plus 2. Now that is a whole bunch of math, but you know how to do this already. If you look at this here, you can see that there are some like terms. 23 and negative 1. They're on the same side, so you just combine them. 23 minus 1 is 22. And then the 5x we haven't used yet, so that's still there. Like that. Now, this is your typical variables on both sides problem, right? We move the 9x to the left because we're always trying to get rid of the variables and move them to the left. So we do that. And if we finish that, we would have 22, 5 minus 9 is negative 4x equals, and then we just have a 2. And then I don't know why I switched colors. And then we subtract our 22 on both sides, and we would have, let me go over here to the right, we would have negative 4x equals, what is 2 minus 22? Negative 20. And then we would divide, and you would get x equals positive 5, just like that. So in reality with this problem, the hardest part, well, not the hardest part, but the new part is setting this equation up with in, out. You have to know how to solve for x, and that's something that we've been practicing for a while. It's not easy, but that's really what you have to do. So that is number one.